At Main Care Energy, we believe our customers are our best form of advertising. So much so that we wanted to share with you what our customers are saying about us. Here are just a few reviews from the many we receive every day. While there are many review websites out there, the one sent directly to us shows us our customers want to ensure we are listening. And proudly, we are. We know you have a choice when choosing home heating fuel, heat and cooling installation, repair and maintenance. Main Care Energy, we work hard to earn your business and keep it. We are an employee-owned business, so what's important to us as customers, we know is important to you. Serving the Albany, New York area and beyond since the 1930s, Main Care Energy is dedicated to serving you, our customer, for all your heating and cooling needs. With our 24-hour service that never sleeps, you can count on your calls being answered by one of our employee owners 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even on holidays. Main Care Energy, call 800-542-5552 or visit us online at maincareenergy.com.